Hello. So this is a little before because I'm gonna be making what's it called? I don't even know what it's called. It's fake skin because I'm gonna make a little cut right here on my chest because I plan on doing like a Cupid type of thing where like Cupid like shot an arrow at me, but it's not working, so the arrow is stuck there. It's bleeding. This was inspired by a song that came out maybe June, July of 2023. And I've been waiting like months to do this look because I was like, that's gonna be a good Valentine's look. It's a simple look, but I feel like the song carries more weight and, well, I guess, you know, playing around with the pictures and stuff. But yeah, so we're gonna make, I guess, like gory skin, like, because I don't have latex, I don't have all that fancy stuff. So we're just gonna do something quick and easy, and I found a TikTok that explains it all. So I found the girl, her name, her at is Rare Yuyi. I'll put it around here so you guys can see. Let me screenshot it right now so I won't forget. And she makes like a lot of Halloween looks. So this video that she made was for like Halloween, but I'm gonna use it for this video. So recap: Vaseline, foundation, cornstarch or baby powder or cornstarch baby powder, and just a place where you can store it. And well, a spatula if you have one. I'm probably gonna use a spoon because I don't have those fancy spatulas. But yes, let's get started. So we're gonna start with Vaseline first. Like I said, I'm gonna use a spoon because I don't have a spatula that she has. Just like a spoonful. I'm not gonna do too much because it's not gonna be too much. So I'm gonna put that here. I'm scared if it doesn't come out, I'm gonna cry because I wasted so much Vaseline. But it's okay, we'll make it work. So now after this, she said to use foundation. So I have very few. I don't think it has enough for this, but we'll see. Let's see how many drops it comes out. Wow, it's so empty. Give me a sec. I thought I had enough, but I don't. Like, very little came out. RIP. It was a good one. So now I'm gonna have to use this one. It is a bit lighter, but it's fine because I'll just like cover it up with the foundation or skin tint that I have on now. So I'm gonna add a few drops. I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna start mixing it all together just before adding the cornstarch so it can be easier, I guess. Well, that's what she did, so I'm just doing what she did. I'm gonna add just a few more drops and then I'm gonna keep mixing till I'm happy with what I'm left with, and I'll be right back. I am gonna put the baby powder. Just make sure everything's on there. I don't know how to open, like to take this off. I don't think you can. Oh well. So she said to go add like little by little so it won't, like you won't overdo it because the consistency has to be like Play-Doh, you know, moldable Play-Doh. So let's just get started. Now it's kind of looking, whoops, let me get that. So now it's kind of looking like Play-Doh-y. I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna get it with my hands so it can be easier for me to mold. That's what she does too anyways, so you can feel the consistency of it. But I'm gonna keep putting this on because I feel like, I don't know, you need a lot. Like I've poured on so much already. So I'm just gonna pour some more. I'm doing it on top of a napkin so I won't make a mess. But yeah. Oh dang, I shouldn't have done this. Dang. Okay, I'll be right back. That was intense. I don't even want to show you how my counter looks like right now. But it just took me 5 minutes. Nah, I'm kidding. Like a minute, 2 minutes to remove everything that I had in my hand. And now they smell like baby powder and Vaseline. Like a baby's butt. Okay, so it's Play-Doh-y consistency. Like you have to knead it a lot. Is that the word? Like bread. I over powdered it and it started to crumble apart. So then I just added look at this one. With this, I just went like this, a little bit of Vaseline, and I put it back in the mixture to make it more Play-Doh-y and put together. And then you just have to knead it a lot. Like roll it and play with it. And yeah, this is final thing. I think it's close to my skin. I mean, it's gonna be here on my chest, so how to put it on and for it to stay on your skin. She also has a video on that. So I'm gonna tag it as well, but it's just eyelash glue. That's all you need. And just make sure it's precise because you don't wanna ruin this that you just made. She said that she's stored it for up to 3 weeks. If that's what you wanna do, and if not, then, you know, to the trash can. But yeah, that's about it. I'm glad it worked because I was getting a little nervous when everything was crumbling apart. So now I'm just gonna keep on kneading it a little bit more so it can stay that consistency. Because right now I'm gonna do like a spray for like blood for the red liquid in our body. This reminded me of, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a meme of this little, I don't know if it's a bread, I think it's a bread coming out of the oven, and it's like, this is the exact same color of it, I think. For the next part, we're gonna be doing like the gooey part of the blood. ¿Cómo se llama? Coagulada? I don't know how I say it in English. But we're gonna be doing that and a spray so it can look like a splatter type of blood situation. So for that, we're gonna need gel, like styling gel, just to get that like coagulated, is that the word? Look. and and oil, like hair oil, hand oil, I don't know, type of oil, because that's gonna be used for the spray. And we're gonna need food coloring, red and blue. Blue so it can look a bit more like deep red, you know, like that's coming out of your body. And I bought these at the Dollar Tree as well. But I'm just gonna be using the spray for the blood. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. So I'm gonna use one of these to do like the dense blood type of deal. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna need a spoon or a spatula, you know, just to dig it up in there and swirl it around. Let's do it. So for this one, styling gel first. We're gonna do like the more heavier type of blood gel. I got this for $2 discount. So again, I'm not gonna use much because what I'm gonna do is just one single cut. It's not gonna be too much, but I'm just gonna use maybe like a spoon, just like a spoon of it, put in the container, and then we're gonna get the red food coloring and add a few drops of it. Okay, I added 2 drops. Now let's see how that mixture goes. That's what it's looking like. It looks like Jello. Now I'm gonna use a blue one, a blue food coloring dropper. Blue food coloring. Oh my god. Blue food coloring. Maybe just add 1 drop. There you go. Because I don't want it to be like, oh, snickerdoodle. That was intense. That is intense. I'm gonna have to add maybe, oh. I'm not gonna say what's on my mind, but girlies, you know, you know. I mean, it looks like blood. Blood is not supposed to be like super bright. It's not supposed to be super bright red. So this is what it looks like now. It looks cool like when the light is shining through. I mean, I think it's my fault, but we'll see. It's doing what I wanted it to do. I'll try a different technique next time, maybe a different oil or maybe a different gel. But these are the ones that I used. It's that one and this one. So yeah, I've got the skin, the fake skin, the coagulated blood, and the spray. So yeah, that's all for the behind the scenes, because now I need to set up the space and go shower, because this look requires like a wet hair look, so I need to go do that. And for my hair, I'm probably gonna be using this gel after I shower. I'm just gonna, you know, yeah. Thanks for tagging along. I'll tag the main creator of all of this in the description below or in the comments. And